How to deploy Lovable AI project to Vercel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, so basically we're just going to go ahead and connect our Lovable to GitHub, and it's just going to sync whatever we do with Lovable to GitHub. And that's pretty much the main step that we want to do, which is going to work for Vercel. So in order to do so, what we want to do is just go to Lovable, click on the plus icon here at the bottom left, and click on GitHub. Next up, from here, you simply just want to click on Add Connection, click on Add Account, and basically log into your GitHub account in here and make the connection happen. Now, if you're saying you don't have a GitHub account at this point, you can just go and create one for free and just come back here and do these steps, and it should work completely fine. It's for free. It's not going to cost you anything. So just go and create your GitHub account, connect it if you don't have one already, and now we can just go ahead and go to Vercel. And by the way, if you actually did the connection, if you go to github.com, you should be able to find the repository of your projects in here, so you can actually see them. And they're going to always sync with whatever changes that you do with Lovable are going to be fully synced in here. Anyways, now back to Vercel. What you want to do is just log in, and you're just going to find yourself in the home page. You want to click on Continue with GitHub right in the Import Git repository. And again, you simply just want to log in to your GitHub account and click on Authorize. Now just click on Install. And again, just follow the steps here. Make sure you select the repositories that you want. They're going to ask you for it later anyway, so I'm just going to click on Install. And now basically you're just going to find a list of all the repositories that you have in your GitHub. Just select the appropriate one that you want for the project and click on Import. And now you can adjust the project name and the Vercel team and also the application preset and click on Deploy. And just like that, congratulations, you have done it. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.